welcome to or welcome back to my channel and happy October. If you are new here, my name is Carissa and I am a stripper from Los Angeles. And here on my channel, we discuss dating up, hypergamy, and all things stripper related. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does encourage me to make more videos for you guys. And turn on your post notification bell so that you are notified when I do upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Carissa_Kalia. So I know I'm a little late, you guys, but I tried press-ons 2 months ago. And let me just say, it saves so much time, you guys, especially like with your work life or, you know, with your personal life. Sometimes people don't have time to sit in a nail shop for 2 hours. It only took me 20 minutes to install them, and I love how they came out. I added a little bit of baby oil to make them look like it was fresh out the nail shop. But I definitely recommend it if you guys have a busy schedule. All right, y'all, we are at the club. I just touched up a little bit. It's kind of crowded like that way, so I don't get dressed there. Yes.
Bitch, I just lost a 20, but you know, shit happens.
How'd you lose a 20?
They trying to eat.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop no hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot and cross back. She take a piece. Got the data, now we plotting. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. I'm pushing P. I'm capital P. I write the president. Count president. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P.
Y'all, them 4 stages be a lot, okay? I have to go on 4 stages. I just got off. Oh my god, I'm already tired. Just my first stage set.
Later that night.
Keys on her knees, mopping down peas. She let me squeeze if she leave.
The next day.
When I first wake up in the afternoon, usually I wake up late because I don't get home until 5 in the morning. So I typically like to make my bed when I first wake up. I feel that it puts you in a better mood. And usually I'll take the dog outside after I brush my teeth and wash my face. Depending on if he's still sleeping or not, I usually sometimes wake up before him. And I'll sage my house because a lot of times we can absorb energy from the club. So I like to sage my home and just open up the door so all the negative energy can just, you know, make its way out of my home. Some days I wake up and I'm not hungry, and today is just one of those days. So when I'm not hungry, I usually just make me a smoothie to get the day started. Today we are making a strawberry and raspberry smoothie, and it's so yummy, you guys. And to get rid of the, you know, sour bitter taste, I usually add Splenda in there. I like everything to be aesthetically pleasing, so after I pour in the smoothie, I'm just gonna add a strawberry to hang over it just because it looks pretty. And there you have it. Hey you guys, so I am on my way to work. I actually just finished getting ready. I'm just wearing this tube top and I am bringing a sweater because y'all, it is starting to get cold. That's bad news, I know, right? So I did get my hair done earlier today. I got a sew-in. I woke up like around 11ish and got my hair done, and I took a nap afterwards, so I'm fully charged and fully energized and ready to go to work. I haven't wore a sew-in in a while, so it feels kind of weird having it back. I've been used to the wig and been doing the wig for a while now. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna go to work tonight. It is Saturday night. Hopefully it's a good night tonight, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I push a pig. Cop no grandma, so I pee. We don't want no peace. Got a spot cross back. Check the piece. Got the data, now we plan. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a pig. Push a pig. I'm capital P, I write these president, keep presidents. She put the P's on her knees, mopping down the P. She let me squeeze if she need, cause she keep the P.
Girl, that's because you like 40.
Pop a P, the paranoid. I keep sleep with pockets deep. That rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Okay, bought a pink, got a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red band, and a card. I'm a P, I so hoe and dark. She ain't believe for me, she simply pushed. I never saw up and we finally touched. She ready in the streets with me, no question.
So tonight is a special night, you guys, because I am going to make dinner for y'all. It is my day off tonight, and I love cooking on my days off. I don't cook nights when I have work, but midweek I will meal prep something so I have dinner to heat up for the weekends when I go to work. I'm so bad with time. I am horrible with time, you guys. So it's impossible for me to cook days I have work. When I cook for myself, it's so satisfying because it makes me feel like I'm in my element. It makes me feel like a true woman, and it makes me feel like I'm in tune with my feminine being and my feminine energy. Like most of y'all know, I am a Taurus, so I love to cook. I love to be home. I just love being in the presence of my own house, especially when it's clean and disinfected, and you know, the scent of the candles. And I know I'm going to make an amazing housewife one day. I'm an earth sign, so I'm very, very traditional, y'all. Like, I am so traditional. And it took me a while to get to know that about myself. It took me a while to, you know, get to know what I like, what I don't like, what I'm willing to tolerate, what I'm not willing to tolerate. And when you spend time alone, and I mean like really spend time alone, I'm not talking about, you know, just being around people 24/7. I'm talking about living alone by yourself. You know, just with me being in Texas, I've spent a lot of time alone by myself because, as most of you know, I have no family here. All of my family is back in LA. So, you know, moving here, I've got to spend a lot of time alone, and that's when you truly realize like what you want. And it's important to know what you want. You know, it's important to know what you want and what brings you peace and what brings you happiness. I'm at that point in my life where I'm so sure of myself and I know exactly what I want. And from here on out, I'm saying no to anything that isn't that. I'm saying no to anything that isn't exactly what I want. And it's okay to say no. But putting yourself first is the ultimate self-care, because nobody's gonna love you like you love yourself. And when people see that you love yourself, they will fall in love with you as well. And at the end of the day, ladies, we are not responsible for anyone's reaction to our boundaries and our wants and our needs. Also, I'm a flexitarian, you guys, so I only eat meat in moderation. I do not eat meat all the time. I've been craving pepper steak for a while now, and that is what we're making tonight. I've already pre-chopped the vegetables, and I also marinated the meat for 24 hours. I'm gonna take some olive oil and some minced garlic so that I can start cooking the vegetables. I'm not going to overcook them. I'm just gonna cook them a little bit until they are, you know, not hard but crunchy still. And after the veggies are cooked a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat on top of the vegetables in the pan, and I'm going to dilute it with water a little bit and some of the ingredients that I've used into the pan, and so that way I can get the sauce flavor. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have no idea how good this smells right now. It smells amazing. Look at that. It is all finished, you guys. I am done cooking. The easy part is cooking. It's just cleaning up after is the hard part. But it's so yummy and it smells so good. I'm going to take the first bite for you guys so that you guys can see. Oh my gosh. I'm going to start with the plantain. It's so good. I love plantains, you guys. I feel like I was Caribbean in another life. And so now I'm just gonna drink some water. When I eat meals like this, I do not allow myself to have any soda. I'm only allowed to have juice or water. And tonight I'm having water, and I'm also watching Carrie. If you don't know, it's a scary movie. I'm a horror fan. I love the spooky season, and my favorite holiday is, in fact, Halloween. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna get into the fall decor. This was so exciting for me because I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I finally had the time to. Most of the things that I got was from Ross and the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to add some glitter and some white, and I'm gonna keep some of the spooky stuff Halloweenish, you know, with the orange and the black, but I'm still gonna add like my own style to it, so that it can match my home, and add some glitter and add some white. And the pumpkins are not gonna be necessarily orange. And I also have a notebook that I bought. That white pumpkin that you guys see, I think I'm gonna keep it the same. I bought like a little bone to place the candle on. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I already envision what it's gonna look like in my head, and I cannot wait to put it together because it's gonna look amazing. Just stay tuned. And I never leave the store without grabbing my animals a gift as well. I don't know how my cat is gonna like her dress, but I thought it was so adorable. I'm gonna put it on her a couple days before Halloween. And I also got Hash Brown something as well. This is Nutella's first Halloween with us, so I don't know how she's gonna like the dress, but oh my gosh, they're gonna look so cute, and I can't wait to take pictures. While I was at the store, I thought about my family, and since I'm so far away and can't celebrate with them, I'm going to send some Halloween cards to my mom, my sister, and my grandma, and I'm going to add like a little $5 Starbucks gift card for them for Halloween because I can't send candy, so they're probably not going to eat the candy. So I'm just going to send Starbucks. And these spiders, I'm going to paint them gold somehow, some way. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna paint them gold and add some glitter, or you know, paint them white and add some glitter, and everything is just gonna tie in together. Y'all, I've been trying to look for somebody's kid to borrow on Halloween. I need to borrow somebody's child on Halloween because, baby, we need to go trick-or-treating in these mansions. What a perfect excuse to knock on somebody's door. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. It might be a lonely old man passing out these candies at these mansions, girl. Shoot, I got, what, another week or 2 weeks to find somebody's child to borrow. Girl, I am not playing. I really like how the spiders came out. I, painted them with glue, and then I used gold and silver glitter to match my home. So I wanted, spiders with glitter. I didn't really like the orange and black, so I just try to make it a little bit more me, and it's me. It's so cute, isn't it? And they were only $1 at the dollar store. So the pack of spiders were like $1, and then the tacky glue, I believe, was $1. So, and it came out cute. I mean, you're not really gonna find gold and silver spiders at the store, I don't think. I mean, you probably could, but I'd rather just, improvise and just do what I can at home. And it's really fun, it's really fun to have a project sometimes. And, I love just being creative. Y'all, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. This is just something simple, because I do live in an apartment. So when I get my house and stuff, that's when I can really go in on the scary stuff. So for now, I'm just gonna do what I like, and not anything too scary until I get a house. And so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you did, leave a like for me. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.